On Hypixel, there is a final kill effect called Anvil Smash, which has a pretty basic effect. When you final kill a player, it drops an anvil from 3 blocks above their head, and normally this anvil doesn't deal any damage to players if it were to fall directly on them after a kill. But for some reason, the anvil doesn't always disappear after it lands, and it'll stay on the block it landed. And after some investigation, it was found that if the anvil falls again and it hits a player, it does in fact damage them. And of course, with this information, I made it my mission to win a game with an anvil kill. My initial idea was to use a magic toy stick on an anvil that was gotten with this method. And while this would have worked in theory, the magic toy stick only has approximately a 15% chance to move a block without breaking it. After realizing this method wouldn't work, we changed our strategy to getting the anvil to drop somewhere up high and then dropping it onto a player trapped below. This method removed the randomness of the magic toy stick, but now relied on players being smart enough to try to attack you while 20 blocks in the air. Over the span of 3 days, our strategy to get players to attack us changed a few times. We started by simply asking players to come into the box, and for some reason, people didn't want to. Our final strategy, which ended up working, was playing on the map Cliffside, because there are slabs at middle that we could use to trap players on. The emerald generators are already high enough in the air, so all we would need to do is kill a player on that level above the slabs. And after 36 hours of attempts, here's how that game went. Oh, that's where White was. He's just over here standing in a diamond gen.
Are you friends with White?
Maybe? I'm not sure he knows how to move.
I'm gonna go make friends with Gray. Gray! Pokemon fight! Oh.
What is this guy doing?
See ya!
Wait, they're a genius. It was all calculated.
Oh, did he debate you?
No, not really, but I think we can kill them as the anvil.
Okay.
Oh, there he is. White guy, follow me. Come on, white guy, follow me. Keep coming. Yep, that's it. Keep following me. I said follow, not stab. Come on, almost there. I got the anvil.
Alright. Alright, Bo.
I missed. Hey, Red, you should come over here. It will be very beneficial to your health if you do, I promise. Got one in the pit. Cool.
What?
One's in the pit.
Do we want to kill the other?
That might be the easiest solution here.
Stay by him. Not let him get AFK kicked or something. Oh, I see him.
Nice.
Oh, there we go. All right, I'm gonna go up, so you tell me when to pull the lever.
Yep.
Here we go. He's not in the right spot. You gotta move him.
Oh.
Should I go get obsidian so you can move him?
No.
Okay.
I have endstone.
Oh, he has.
I hit him out. Hit him back in. Are you up there still?
Yep.
Wait, I'm gonna burn to death. That won't kill him.
Yeah, no.
Pull it.
Let's go!
Oh my god, that took so long. And that is how I won a game with an anvil kill.